screen, or do you make
I
me
will
to
share
do?
my screen first.
Hmm.
Okay, so I have started the recording, and today we will learn about content modifier. Okay.
Hmm.
We'll learn about content modifier. Okay. So, Anurup, as you know that the communication language of two systems is either JSON or XML, right?
Hmm. Yes.
Inside that also, it's not only message. How do we write emails? For example, whenever we have to write any email to anyone, we write
Hmm.
it's to, from, right?
Hmm.
Is anyone in CC or BCC?
Hmm.
Then we write the subject, that what is this about, and then we write the body, right?
Hmm.
And then we will write the
Are you sharing your screen?
you are not able to see it.
No.
Shit. No, I wasn't sharing.
Now I can see.
Very sorry. So I searched for this. I don't think you watched it, no? Okay, keep it here only. So even when we are sending an email, this is the thing, right?
Hmm.
We all know.
Hmm.
Inside that also there is main concept here in the body. Rest everything is headers. So this structure is called headers.
Hmm. Yeah.
This is body, and this is footer. So this is divided into or bifurcated into three sections.
Hmm.
Okay. Same way, whenever we have any XML message, okay, even though this is a XML message, they don't consider this as a header. Let me take this because header is not in the payloads. Okay. So now this is a bad body directly, right, Anuru?
Yes.
So whenever this message is sent from one system to another system, header goes with that, which is not in the payload, but still it goes. So even in the webhook, you will be able to see that in the upper right corner,
Hmm.
that the message origin, message length, timestamp, servers, there were 10 to 12 fields which was having some data
Hmm. Okay.
that was speaking about this payload. So that data we didn't send, but still that was there. Correct?
Hmm.
So that is called headers.
Those gets generated automatically, right?
It's getting generated automatically. Okay. And this is a body. This is a whole body. So
Hmm.
what is headers? It's a basic idea. What is this payload about? It's a identity.
Hmm.
Identity basically. Okay. So let me show you. We'll make some little experiment. I don't have Postman in this laptop.
Actually, this Excalibur is very useful. Yesterday, I tried using this one, and I explained one example to my friend. In
Yeah, this is a very good tool.
very useful, easy. Uh,
No sign up,
then
no, no, no,
yes,
nothing.
yes. The pay, rather than the paint tool, it is very easy.
Yeah. So this is now a payload with me, which is an XML. You see there are already 9 headers as added, which we didn't add, but still it's there,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
Let me hide that only. Here is the webhook. For example, if I'm sending some data from one system to another system, okay, I got it here. So the raw content of body, whatever we sent, is came here, right?
Mm.
But the other system also comes to know that this data is coming from where. So the location is Ashburn, United States, because the servers might be from there of Postman. Okay. Content length is 367 bytes or characters. I don't know what
Can
is
we
that.
say all these are headers? Date, location, host.
Everything
And,
is header.
mm.
Because if you could see here, request details and headers is here. Okay.
Mm. Yeah.
So host is webhook.site. Postman token. See, we sent it from Postman. That is why Postman also sent a token.
Mm.
So it's here. Cache controller is no cache. So from this only the other system gets to know that okay, so this is their identity card. This message has this trace or this is coming from here or what I'm trying to say.
Mm. Yes, yes.
This is the thing. Now we have two things, body and header with us, okay? So in CPI, you know, if I have to capture this field, which is email, only this field, what do you do? Tell me two possibilities.
Uh, this using this content modifier headers.
This is not a header, this is a body.
Okay, using this content modifier, we can access that
How? XPath, it's called XPath.
XPath. Yeah,
But how?
giving that uh, order placement slash customer slash uh, email
Or
text.
no, it's enough. It doesn't, it
Enough.
gets the text.
Then why do you give the text in order to access the data inside the email?
That's extra step. Anyways, this is going to take the email.
Hmm.
If you try it, na, this is also going to get you an email. And text
Okay.
is also going to get you an email. So it doesn't matter that.
Mhm.
These are the two steps in which you can do it. Okay. Right.
Yeah.
Now, for example, just for the sake of example, we captured this field by using any one of these two options. Okay.
Hmm.
You know, this is a body
Yeah.
payload, right?
Mm.
So content modifier, if you used here, content modifier use it, you know, is it's a it's a palette option which used to manipulate, write, or modify some payloads, right?
Hmm.
Or data.
Yeah.
If you wanted to write this message, what you will do? You simply write a camel expression dollar property
Why
dot.
sometimes we are using property, sometimes we are using header?
Will tell you. That is what I am going to teach you today. Okay. When to use property and when to use header. Will teach
Uh,
you. So property, why property? Because I have created this, I have saved this email field in a property, which is his XPath.
mhm.
Will practically show you. Just try to understand theoretically if you get it. So I'll write that dollar property dot email or whatever property name I have given. So ultimately, this is going to print this email value. Clear?
Hmm. Yeah.
And there is another syntax called dollar header dot email, which is going to add that into the headers. Clear?
Hmm.
Let me give you this. You try it. I will guide from now. I'm giving you some payload. Mm, Can you share your screen?
Hmm. One second.
Open some new iFlow. So it will be clean slate.
Is it going to extend this 19 days?
Yes. After that, most probably it will not be there. We'll see it.
Mhm. So we need a content modifier. Content modifier.
And before and after that, you just can put, you know,
Before?
yeah, simulation you can put. No? Simulation point. Okay, in the simulation, I have given you some XML. Put that XML.
Does PIPO and SAP also look like the same thing? Huh? Integrations
Yeah, yeah, yeah. BIPO looks like
in
SAP
SAP
only.
similar.
similar. But CPI looks like very modern right now, and very uncluttered.
Uh, no, this integration stuff, sender and integration process receiver, like a graphical mapping, everything looks like the same way in PIPO
No,
and
no, no,
CPI.
no, no,
We need
different.
to manually do it.
It's very different actually.
Are you experienced with that stuff as
Yes,
well?
yes, yes. I'm experienced with PIPO as well.
Mm, okay.
I have done 4 or 5 projects in PIPO.
Mhm.
Okay. Um, I think you should put 2 content modifiers. So then only we'll be practicing. And don't use simulation right now. Delete the simulations. Put 2 content modifier. One is for initialization and one is for using. Okay.
Mm.
In the content modifier one, in the message body. No, no, no. One second. 1 second. Mm,
I think initially it should have some header or exchange.
yeah. So before that only we'll need values into the uh, message body of a simulation. Okay. Here,
Mm.
do one thing. In the simulation start, add the payload which you have. Camel expressions keep on practicing, you'll forget. Also, we
Mm.
in the filter palette option, we learned about node list, node. You
Filter we
remember?
not practiced.
To whom I have taught them?
Filter we not go.
Okay.
Filter, router, splitter, not gone.
Something we have done similar. Node list, nodes.
Mm, no, no,
No?
no.
In the okay. No, no. Okay, so in the simulation start, please put the XML. Okay,
Done.
so this is the XML with you, right?
Yeah.
Now you only wanted to print the SQU. SQU. So how will you print it?
Yeah.
Double black slash, na?
Double backslash we can use.
Or also the other way, but you know that. We'll do
Mm.
the double backslash thing. Okay. Go to the content modifier one. When to use header and when to use property. Okay.
Mm.
So headers can be used only when you have to pass that message as a header and not as a body. Did you get what I'm trying to say?
Can you please come again? I've been
Sure,
writing notes.
sure, sure, sure. So in header, whenever we initialize some value, that means we wanted to send that message value in the headers and not in the body.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Whereas exchange property means what? We wanted to send that value into the properties only, into the
Mm.
body only, right?
Okay. So what are the changes we have done? We will be doing in the body. So we do it from the exchange property.
Exchange properties, always.
And anything we need to initialize the variable or something, we do it through the message header.
Yeah. In banking interfaces or banking integrations, you will get a requirement always, not always, but sometimes to pass password in the headers, some OTP kind of stuff into the header.
Mm-hmm.
Currently, what we do basic authentication, right?
Means it gets a generated runtime, right? So we need to pass it through the headers.
Yeah, so they ask, for example, you pass it through our headers as well. So we'll check. So what do? You open the start simulation point and In the message body, you have something, for example.
Mm-hmm.
Open the simulation, start and add one field called password or so just for the sake of understanding, simulation
In the
start.
header you are asking, or
No, first in the XML payload, you add one field on your own, which we can pass as a header. Okay, scroll above, scroll up. Yeah, below order ID, you put something, anywhere you add new field called password. Okay, pin, that is fine. And close that pin as well. Put some number.
very easy pin.
Mhm.
Do I need to give a capital, or
Doesn't
is it
matter.
fine? Mm-hmm.
The pin is in the body, but the client or the receiver system needs that into a header. So what you'll do? Header means not in the body. It's the additional information that you know, right?
We need to give the X path.
Exactly. So now you have to write name. You can give anything. It's up to you. That is your variable. The value is not constant. The value is what? It's XPath because it is coming from an XML message. Okay. Value, please, no, don't select. We don't have an XSD uploaded there. So select the field,
Number,
put the field.
or it will take automatically. Data
No,
type.
it's not going to take automatically. Data type also we have to put. So first write the source value.
Source value, any other data. 1 4.
No, the same pin. Na? No, not that, not that. See, that is what you have to 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to put manually, but sometime it might come 0, 0, 0, 0. That you have to dynamically fetch.
Mm-hmm.
So instead, what you'll write
So
here?
before that, we can add the Groovy script and generate a random number, some 4-digit
Yeah, we
number.
can do that for that particular field.
So runtime it generates.
But for the header, in the OTP value, what you wanted to take the values of field pin, right?
Mm-hmm.
So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, go there and double backslash and pin. No, in the source value only. 1, 2, 3, 4, you remove that.
Oh, okay, okay, got it. I need to give the path here, right?
Yeah. And data type as java.lang.string. Small j. As capital.
We can give
This is
it
the
as a number also, right?
hmm?
String we are giving, right? Instead of that, we can give as an integer.
Yeah, we can give, but anytime everyone gives that string only. So your new variable OTP is into the headers, has a value of pin, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and in anything it might come. We don't know, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Now
that
I
you
need to
have,
print this message.
you can print. Since it is into header, how you can print?
Uh,
Yes, go to expression,
Dollar
right?
header
Dot
dot OTP.
OTP is caps or small?
It's capital, I guess.
Yeah, it's capital because it's not going to work this way. Okay. Now start the simulation.
Simulation.
Open the here.
Hmm.
So even though the OTP was headers, you still managed to put that into a body. That is why the last
Hmm.
content modifier body is 1, 2, 3, 4 only. right?
Okay. Yeah.
So remove that from body. We have to send it as a header only. I keep it blank. Okay. Now, once you add a webhook, we'll have to send only the headers. Okay. How we can do? Add the webhook. Don't do request reply now. You can just now what you have to do is scroll down. Okay, put a scheduler there instead of start. Timer. Okay. And repeat every 1 minute. Oh, don't ignore
Based
that.
on device.
Ignore that. Yeah. Save and deploy. So header you have already, but you haven't put it into the webhook headers, right? So
Mm.
first we'll see what the output comes. So in the webhook, you have got a response. Open there. See in the headers section, you see there is nothing called OTP,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm.
But now OTP is as a header you have already. So you have to pass that. Go to the what HTTPS adapter, HTTP adapter. Go to connection. Scroll down. In the header, it's transparent, no? So simply write. No, that is response header. In the request headers, try to put star. Star means what? Whatever all headers are there, it can be sent. Star. Okay. Save and deploy again. So this is one way to send all the headers. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Now go to the integration. Upload webhook. First one. See OTP is there.
Oh, okay.
Got it. So why don't the value? Why is the value not there?
We did not write a function for that, right?
Which function? No, but in the content, you are picking that OTP value from a body now already of a XML
Mm.
message. I
Okay,
think you have
maybe the XPath.
no. The reason, let me tell you, because that time you were testing with a simulation start on. It was not hard coded in some. Got it?
Mm.
XSLT or so some content modifier. Did you get what I'm trying to say?
Uh, no.
No.
Mm.
Again, I will tell you why the message is not here. Go to content modifier. Go to CPI. In the content modifier, there is no payload, na. There is blank. Everything is blank. Go to the content modifier one. See, open. Open the message body. Nothing is there.
Hmm.
So how would it know what is OTP and what is what not? That time we were using simulation start point just for the sake of testing.
Hmm. No, that time we have printed that OTP here, right, to test.
Yes, but the OTP we were reading from some XML. That is correct, right?
Mm-hmm.
That
Okay, okay.
XML only is not
So
here,
the
na?
input is not there. Okay, got it.
Exactly.
Okay. So here the message body should be there.
Correct. Let's see if it works or no. Because before message body, you are putting the headers value, huh? Or header
Hmm.
XPath. We'll see if it works or no. Put the OTP field here. Here it's not.
Yes, it's not this one, right?
Hmm. No, no, that was the same XML, but just you added on your own. Was it pin?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
But the XML which we took is different. Anyway, we gave
Hmm.
this entire path, right?
Yeah, why does it matter? Check the header values. I don't think it was pin before. Last one, see.
And
Oh. Show me the header what you have sent. It was a pin, na? Okay, so why doesn't it work? What's the reason? Wait, you're correct. Before CPI works left to right approach. What comes
so
before?
here
You
the
have
variable,
mentioned header as
so we,
first,
yeah, so we
then the
need to
body.
give that's what I was about to tell. So we need to get a control modifier before that modifier one.
You're right.
Okay.
For the header stuff, you can do it in content modifier 2, and in content modifier 1, you can put the values or payload.
Okay. Message header. Oh, delete. Content modifier, message header. Create OTP. Export in java.lang dot
String.
string. Now say deploy. Okay. You need to wait for another output.
Mm-hmm. Correct. No, on deployment, you will get, no? If you have deployed it, you will get it. Have you deployed?
Yeah, deploy done. Yes, sir.
It should come. Deployment is not done, I guess. Go there. Open the first content modifier. Open. Okay, scroll down. Where is this field called pin? Okay, so pin is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minimize this. Go to content modifier 2. Content modifier 2. Okay, in header OTP/pin. OTP. Clear. Go to the message body. Try to print it once and see what comes. Now try to print it. OTP was in caps, no?
Yeah, in caps. I think post deployment we are not able to see the output. When the time gets triggered, as it is event based, no?
Mm-hmm.
So it is going to trigger on that only, I think.
I guess webhook is not accepting anymore. It might be saying that limited something or stuff. Check again. Or put some another webhook.
I think we can send up to 50 in
15
outputs.
a day, I guess.
Uh,
4 were already there. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Okay, do one thing. Instead of this, simulate there only. We will see. Just don't add the payload. Simulate. But we won't be able to see the headers as I wanted to show you. Field. Right? Do error details. Okay. Go to content modifier 1. Pin you have also closed with pin only.
oh, my bad.
No, it's okay. You get to learn these things a lot. Go to webhook.
Hmm.
Clear?
Yeah.
Now if you only wanted to send OTP, no other field, only OTP, what you can do?
Means no,
As a header. These
the
are now
we don't
template
receive
headers.
the. Okay.
Only OTP if you want.
Here I think we can change, right? Instead of star,
Scroll
we
on.
can give that query.
No, instead of star, we just give the exact name of the variable which we have created.
Oh, okay.
Give.
We need to
No,
give
not
this
like
or
this. Just the name,
okay,
just the
just a
name.
variable name. OTP, right?
Right
Save
once.
and deploy.
Okay, so this is working now. Now do one thing.
But in the header, you told only header will be receiving OTP, and you got
Actually,
all the.
that above message is anyways, very constant from webhooks. It will be ignored anyways. OTP earlier it was getting so many fields, na?
Hmm. Here, one doubt.
Yeah,
I
please.
configured as OTP capital, but I got this as small.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Headers are small.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And one more thing, if you have 4 or 5 headers which are custom, and you only wanted to send those 4 or 5, so you don't put comma in the headers in the integration suite. Okay, you write a pipe icon,
What is that?
click on that, and there is a button above your enter button on keyboard.
Oh, pipe. Okay, okay. Sorry, sorry.
Yeah, put some variable name pipe, another variable name pipe. Okay, clear?
Hmm. But here we received all the other headers also instead of only receiving OTP.
Actually, consider this as only OTP because these are so constant one.
Hmm.
That's not going. But earlier in the earlier example, go to the earlier example. It was 10 plus. No, no, in
Oh,
the webbook only.
okay.
Got
So
it?
from the CPI, we only receive this OTP kind of thing.
Hmm.
Those all are generated by the webhook itself, right?
Right.
Okay, got it.
Got it?
Got it.
So, one benefit, not benefit, I would say. One thing you can also do that in content modifier, you can write the expressions as well and manipulate the period as you want. Clear?
Hmm.
Like if in the chat, if you could write, or in the message body, you could write like, hi, my name is, and a property.
The content modifier too.
Obviously.
Uh,
Clear?
yeah, clear.
Now, you have some OTP value as a header, right?
Mm-hmm.
So there is a provision in CPI. You go to the expert property. I will show you the drop down.
Oh, the second one.
Exchange property. In the source type, there are so many options. Okay, go to the message header only. We'll just put the drop down and see what all are the options. Why we choose expert there? Expert there because the message was coming in what value? It was coming in
XML.
XML value. For example, you have a you have a message header or a message property, for example, with the name of OTP. Consider
Mm.
in the upcoming iFlow, you could write something. You could make another iFlow. You could make another property called O, okay, or anything, and select property source value as a property. Then what will come in the source value? You write dollar property dot your property name. So a
Mm-hmm.
property also you can put it as a variable in some field. Got it?
Okay, 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 got it.
In that case, we use property.
Mm-hmm. Directly we
You
can
have to
use
try
this.
this today on your own. I will just
Mm,
tell you. That is called a property. Okay. Open that again.
which one?
The
Drop
same
down.
one. Right. Constant. I don't need to explain. Expression. Expression means what? A camel expression, if you wanted to put it into a, sorry, what you said?
Execute.
Yeah, a camel expression, like today's, a camel expression for today's date. If you wanted to put that into a value as a variable, you select expression there.
Okay.
Global variable is that your variable, if you could create, can be accessed by any other iflows in the same artifact. Header, you know.
Any iflow we can use it.
Any iflow in the whole package.
Okay.
Okay. Header, you can know. Header, you know what is that. Right? Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Do homework on this. I will give it to you.
Okay.
Fine?
So here in the message header and exchange property, both options are same, right?
Okay. So we'll be giving you some homework today, tough one. And we'll plan to give you in a way that your practice will be done.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Any questions for me?
No questions so far. Clear.
Clear, na? You are writing
And
notes, right?
yes, I'm writing. Anything which I need to learn, like HTTP codes, everything, every day I can check like that. Is there any kind of stuff? So it can be useful for my interviews or anything.
I would.
So can you give me some HTTP codes? I can refer every day so that it will memorize into
Okay, I
my
will
memory.
also give you that. Can you please put it on WhatsApp as a request so that I can give it to you?
Other than HTTP codes, anything we should remember those. It will be useful for
Try to understand about some different adapters as well. Just read. Don't confuse.
So anyway, these are backend useful for HTTP only, right? Most of the adapters.
Yeah, most of the things are HTTP, but AMQP is there, which is the queue-based thing.
Okay.
That kind of stuff, try to learn. Or go to Reddit or simply put, I wanted to understand some real life scenarios. How are those? I will give it to you, but you can find some companion to whom you can discuss, or go to ChatGPT, the best thing. Ask ChatGPT for very real projects and try to figure it out on your own. How you can make that. Okay?
Okay.
That will help you a lot. Clear?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Thank you. Let me stop this. Is it raining there?
No, bro. Day before yesterday, it's rained.